Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Vodafone Idea. Is it worth invest in Vodafone Idea stock? Is it worth to buy to accumulate more number of stocks in Vodafone Idea for wealth making or not? Because the Vodafone Idea is continuously falling from its high. While considering certain price levels, the Vodafone Idea has just came to half of its value. So before going to this video in detail, I would like to express few points about the trading tips platforms operated by Bull Street in WhatsApp. There are two kinds of trading tips platforms. One is known as Vodafone. Vodafone. I do keep on remembering Vodafone. One is Superfans option. Superfans option is nothing but we give three kinds of trading tips. One is penny option trading tips. Penny option trading tips nothing but option premiums ranging from 10 paise, 20 paise, 30 paise up to 90 paise, such a low premium trading tips in stock option with entry and target in live market. And second one is whenever momentum arises in the market or whenever momentum or spot arises in this stock concern, we give trading call in stock option with entry and target. And third one is penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. So to avail these three kinds of trading calls, the subscription is 799 per month. You can remit the subscription by Google Pay, GPay or Phone Pay or Amazon Pay or Paytm to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. We have only one WhatsApp number. We do not have any trading tips platform, trading tips channel in Telegram. We do not have any premium group. We do not have any VIP group in Telegram. So beware of fake people reflecting our names in Telegram. So we have only one number. So I am Vijay. I am the only person running this company. Then we give another set of trading calls in equity. Whenever speculative stocks found having a sudden move, we give trading call with the entry and target in live market in equity segment. And along with that, we also give investment based calls to have few days holding, few weeks holding, rarely after a few months holding to report a great profit. Of course, there are some penny stocks in equity will also be given in this category. So to avoid these two kinds of stocks, two stock calls in equity, the subscription is 799 per month. So same way you can remove subscription. Now we go to the video about the Vodafone Idea. So the Vodafone Idea is what an idea, sorry G. The current market price before recording this video, one day before this video, is 6 rupees 5 paise. And while looking at the 1 month low and 1 month high, 1 month low is recent price 4 rupees 55 paise, 1 month high is 9 rupees 90 paise, just it came to half of its value. And while looking at the year low and year low is same, the 4 rupees and 55 paise, and year high is 13 rupees and 80 paise. Now recently, a day before, about 3.59 crores of quantity of Vodafone Idea share are kept pending. There are no takers, no buyers, so it's a buyer freeze. So such kind of drastic pathetic situation is seen in the Vodafone Idea stock, and there are few red alerts about this stock. The first red alert is their parent promoters said that, confirmed that there will be no further infuse of funds, and India, particularly in India. So the Vodafone is forbidden by their promoters, the first red alert. And second red alert, recently you might have had news in news channel as well as other channels like Vodafone chairman, VI chairman Kumar Mangalam Birla stepped down, and he also made a statement like what Satyam Ramalinga Raju told in yesteryears, that here he said that he would like to give away all of his personal stock to the government in order to run the company smoothly. He indirectly said that he failed in running the company. So this is second red alert. And third one is the banks offered loans to this Vodafone Idea company. These are the banks offered loans to VI. The State Bank of India offered 11,000 crores of rupees, and Yes Bank offered 4,000 crores of rupees, and IndusInd Bank offered 3,500 crores of rupees, and IDFC First offered 6,200 crores of rupees approximately, and approximately a sum of 24,700 crores of rupees offered to Vodafone Idea, and these 24,700 crores of rupees is gone. So this is third alert. So this is a very complicated noodles problem. So this problem has to be settled in two ways. One is any company may come forward to take a merger with this company, like Bharti Airtel may come forward, or Reliance Jio may come forward. Otherwise, any foreign promoters like Google, Facebook, or any other foreign promoters, foreign business corporates may come forward to take over the company. In both the cases, one has to watch clearly that is there is any vanish of equity shares and take at the time of takeover, like what has done in LVB case. In LVB case, when DBS Bank offered a sum of 100 rupees per share, here that decision was denied, and later the LVB Bank has given to the same DBS Bank at free of cost, and moreover the LVB Bank equity shares becomes zero and vanished away. Such kind of vanish, or such kind of zero state if occurs in Vodafone Idea, we should not touch the stock. We should not look at the stock at all. But like what happened in TTML case at the period of Tocomo, Tata Sons has sold their retail customer base to their rival Bharti Airtel. But they used the money to cover the debt. Then they made it's a nearly debt-free company, the TTML. Because of that only, it made a super high around 56 rupees, and most of the days it stayed in the upper circuit. But I wonder this kind of activity may not occur in Vodafone Idea, because Vodafone Idea has no promoters interest, no takeovers immediately. So it is better stay away from Vodafone Idea stock. Watch the situation, what's happening. Just watch what's happening in and out Vodafone Idea. Then you can decide. If needed, you can make a comment. I'll put another update video on Vodafone Idea stock. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay. Please subscribe to Bull Street Super Casino. Bull Street Super Options. If you are a HNI investor, if you are a maturity trader, if you are a elect trader, if you have a sufficient corpus, if you are willing to take a risk, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine for stock option, in which we give double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, and occasionally jackpot trading tips. The subscription level is high and your return will be high. If you are a retail investor, retail trader, you can subscribe to Super Finance option. The subscription is 7,999. Earlier the subscription was 15,555 per month. Now it is reduced to 7,999 because of the pandemic situation. So avail this opportunity. And another one point I would like to stress here: we do not have any trading tips platform, we do not have any trading tips channel, we do not have any premium group, we do not have any VIP group in Telegram. Remember, we do not have any such activities in Telegram. So beware of fake people. They are reflecting our name in Telegram, and they are collecting money from innocent people. So beware of fake people in Telegram. We operate only through WhatsApp and blog site. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.